This hidden gem should absolutely be on your bucket list. Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal, a city where historic charm meets contemporary vibrance. Picture this: cobblestone streets alive with the melody of street musicians, pastel-hued buildings catching the golden sunlight, and those iconic trams weaving through the heart of it all. Lisbon isn't just stunning, it's inclusive and welcoming to all travelers, from solo adventurers to the LGBTQ+ community. Indulge in traditional pastéis de nata, savor the flavors of Portugal's rich culinary heritage, or head to one of those seaside restaurants for fresh-caught seafood. Explore the cliffside views at Miradouro de Nossa Senhora do Monte, or feel the Atlantic breeze on a sunset tram ride. This city radiates warmth, culture, and celebration. Where should we travel next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe to join the adventure.